up quite a lot of shops. I have to say good colours on it, but you can see now the zebra cross. Got the Vicky's here. The Vicky larger part is all grocery, so the smaller part to do. So these are churches, you know, these are all cheap. Blame some investors coming and buying it. They're not gonna be allowed, or people are gonna kick off. But what's it, you know? So I've been here for like, Blackpool for you on a Saturday morning, guys. It's not that cold. Someone left their bonnets open miles away. That's supposed to be turning. But anyway, this is all the suits. You can only see them on YouTube. Let's hit the subscribe button and join the family. So take chase, like let's see the skills of these things, guys. We just surprise and suck people, you know.